After almost 30 years, I finally figured out what the Sunday scaries really were. And it wasn't Monday. It wasn't the job. It was knowing that come sunrise, I'd hand another piece of my life away and call it living. Sunday evening, sitting in the driveway, watching that last little bit of daylight fade. Got a knot in my chest that I can't explain, knowing tomorrow I gotta do it all again. 5 days giving everything I got, building somebody else's dream on somebody else's clock. While the things I said I'd do someday keep getting pushed a little further away. And I told myself, man, you got plenty of time. But time don't listen when you draw that line. 'Cause a week turns into a year, and a year disappears, and you wake up one morning wondering where the hell it went. You don't hear the clock ticking when you're busy paying the bills, but every second that you spend is a second you can't get back again. I'm not scared of Monday morning, I'm scared of wasting my life, giving all my blood and sweat just to keep somebody else's dream alive. I'm not afraid of working hard. Hell, that's never been me. I'm afraid I'll spend my whole damn life and never become who I was meant to be. 'Cause money comes and money goes, but time only goes one way. And when that clock runs out, you can't buy back yesterday. I've watched dreams sit in the garage, covered up underneath the dust. Well, I kept saying I'll get to it when I finally have enough. But enough never seems to come when you're always chasing what's next. You give your youth to a paycheck, your strength to somebody else's success. Then your kids grow up and the years start moving fast, and you realize those moments weren't waiting for you to come back. So now I'm looking in that mirror and I'm asking myself the truth. Was I building a life, or was I just surviving through it? 'Cause I don't want my name on somebody else's wall. I want the people that I love to know I gave it my all. Not perfect, not painless, not without a few scars, but I want to leave something behind that tells them who we are. I'm not scared of Monday morning, I'm scared of wasting my life, giving all my blood and sweat just to keep somebody else's dream alive. I'm not afraid of working hard. Hell, that's never been me. I'm afraid I'll spend my whole damn life and never become who I was meant to be. 'Cause money comes and money goes, but time only goes one way. And when that clock runs out, you can't buy back yesterday. So if you're sitting there tonight with that weight upon your chest, wondering if this is all there is, wondering if you missed your chance, listen to me, you haven't. As long as there's breath in your lungs, there's still something left to build. There's still a dream with your name on it. There's still a story that hasn't been finished. Don't wait until you're old to start living the life you kept promising yourself. Because someday runs out. And when my time comes, I don't want them saying I worked the hardest. I want them saying he built something, he loved his family, he helped people, he taught people, he fell down and got back up. He took every scar and turned it into a lesson. He didn't waste the time God gave him. I'm not scared of Monday morning. I've made peace with the fight. I'm gonna take these hands I've been given and build something that survives my life.